This is NSCA's Business Question Series. My name is Max Adkisson with GreatAmerica Financial Services, and I am an NSCA business resource. Today's question is, how can financing help you knock down walls with your customers? Every organization goes through this very issue, and it seems like a natural thing for customers to put up these walls with us. Integrators especially sell a highly complex solution for your customers. With that high complexity comes some barriers to entry between you and your customers. GreatAmerica has identified a few main barriers you may experience with customers and how our options might prevent those from even happening in the first place. When a solution is expensive and highly complex, you may notice that customers will push off a buying decision as long as possible. Ultimately, this can put stress on your teams and sometimes lengthen sales cycles by weeks. GreatAmerica can help you speed up those cycles by providing alternative options that get customers recognizing the value they get instead of the huge check they give. You spend so much time with your customers working to find the best solution, yet not nearly enough time focusing on how they will pay for it, which is equally as important. Our options help customers get into that mindset and make a decision faster than they would have otherwise. Another issue we hear from integrators are customers gouging the price of the solution when it feels too expensive. What this causes you to do is remove equipment that isn't necessary, but is what customers need to have the best solution with the lowest number of problems. Or we find you may just cut out a percentage of margin in that equipment altogether. Our options don't give customers the opportunity to price gouge because we're providing them the solution to that problem right away. What we do best is help your customers get what they need at the price they can afford. Finally, offering financing options can help you avoid many of these issues you experience with customers today. By simply offering a payment solution up front, you differentiate yourself from the competition and prevent those objections from even happening in the first place. Not to mention, financing provides a more complete offering for you in the eyes of your customers. By thinking of this solution ahead of time, you can make life easier for everyone involved. So think about what offering financing could do for you.